This is Kevin King with Pinehurst Websites, and today I'm going to show you how to use photo editing and effects site Pixlr, and it's a web-based photo editor. There's also Pixlr for the desktop, and it's a free photo editor. So let's go into it and take a look at it real quick and see how we can use it to edit our photos. Okay, so you can either create a new image or you can open an image in a computer from your computer. So let's go ahead and open an image from your computer, and I'm just going to click on this particular image, and this image is in a rectangular proportion, so I'd like to make this a square. So I'm going to just blow it up by hitting the little square in the corner there to make this so you can see the entire canvas, and the whole outer side is called the canvas size. So it's got this little gray part on the edge, and I just want to crop that down. So this is the crop tool, which is on by default, and I'm just going to crop this a little bit closer, and then you just hit enter after you selected the crop area. So let's go back up to our image and let's see what the size of that image is. So if we go to it's right next to the edit images, and you have image size and canvas size, and these are the two things we're going to use. So on image size, we're going to see what our size is, and it's 600 by 370. If say this was 3000 by 6000, we may want to reduce that size. So I like my image size to be 1600. So we can reduce the image size or we can increase it here. So what I would do is I would make this 1600 on the longest side if this was 6000. So what I want to do is I want to make this 1600 on the longest side, and it's automatically going to adjust it, constrain the proportions on the top part here. So now the height is going to be 1600. So I'm just going to scroll with my mouse so I can see the entire canvas, and I'm scrolling down. So now I've got 1600 as the height I want. I want to make my width 1600, and I'm going to go back to image, but instead of going to image size, I'm going to go to canvas size, and I'm just going to increase the width of my canvas here to match my height. So very simple, 1600, and I'm going to center my image, just make it really simple, and there I have it, 1600 by 1600. My image is centered, and now all I have to do is save it. So I go File, and I go Save, and I'm just going to change the name to 1600-1600 burgundy top suede top, and I can save it to Pixlr. I can save it a lot of different places here, whatever I have available on my computer. If I had opened this in Drive, it would allow me to save it in Google Drive as well. So let's go ahead and click OK, and I'll save it to my folder. It's saved, and we're good to go. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in to Pinehurst Websites, and you can check out more tutorials on photo editing at pinehurstwebsites.com. Please like and share this video. Thanks for tuning in.